What's up? Here's another trading video. Right now, we're trying to buy a VeChain, because I believe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five is kind of truncated right now, and I would dollar cost average down into this zone here. I am in the understanding that Bitcoin's kind of turning bearish a little bit. Oh, forgot you can't hear. You guys can't hear. Okay, so for the funds, I just got in literally a very small amount of VeChain. Let's use the order book here for some confirmation. I don't think it's a very good sell right now, so I'm gonna stack some orders here on the order book, and that's gonna be my stop loss pretty much underneath this low. I believe that we are in a 5-wave move right here. I believe that we are going to start pumping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let me try to buy the low. So 9575, 9575 for 10,000. So $100. Maybe we'll do 20,000, because I do believe that it's going to start pumping a little bit soon. Even Bitcoin is not yet. It's stabilizing. So here's the 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 5. I'm looking for divergences on the 5-minute chart. We have a huge divergence. We can continue going down, but here's the thing. I'm looking at this 1 hour trend for support, very big support. Yeah. Well, at least for a part-time deal. So I'm still in the link short, and here's the link. I would add to it, maybe on the 25. So 25. I'm not too sure, to be honest. Maybe we'll market sell. I'm in an okay position, but I do think it's a decent sell. So I'm gonna put it right here at 429. Should be fine. So we'll go like this. It's an extra $50 on the books. Here's VeChain. No, VeChain right here. Okay. So I'll get ready to sell and repay my assets. Yep. So I was wrong. It was a mistake. And I'm out. No problem. Oh, no. Yeah. No problem. Make sure I repaid my positions here. Yep. So yeah, that cost me a little bit. Actually, it wasn't too much, but let's see how much it did cost me. Let's see if I hit my stop loss. Yeah, just underneath it. Good. Got out. So 282 minus 191. So $4 or $5 loss, and my reward would have been like $2 or $20. So that would have been a 3-to-1 at least. So I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it like that. And let's see what Bitcoin did. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get a support here, guys. I literally don't think we're going to get a support. I think this is a bear flag, to be honest with you. And so that means I should probably add pretty deeply onto my link position. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll put some at 24,981. So 24, 21. See how much we could sell it. So it kind of looks like a descending triangle, which means that the price could go up another 2%, but I'm still short. Not doing too much. IOST, I'm not really interested in IOST. One, two, three, four, five. There could be another wave downwards here, as long as we don't break this level of support here. So I would probably consider buying it right here. Maybe right now. I mean, it did hit one of my supports. But so my reason for entry on VeChain was wrong. Therefore, I got out. So I sold at 9439, and I'm very fortunate I did that. So 9439. Oh, it's actually just over here. So here's the thing. I think this is a 1, 2. This was a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 4. And then forming the 5th wave. But the thing is, on the 5th wave, like, bro, this is literally going down. Pretty hard here. So there's Link. Let's go, baby. 22. Yeah, I definitely don't buy it. So remember when we were like, yo, should we take profit? We did hedge, right? We made $5 off a hedge. But imagine I took profits and this happened. You know how many times that happened to me? So that's why I use this strategy here, where you're pretty much you're looking for a decent hedge. Now, VeChain on the 8-hour chart looks so bad. It's ridiculous how bad it looks. But there is support in probably 4 or 5%. So here, let me put an alert for that. Maybe I'll just put it on this chart here. No, I got a chart right here open. So hold on. So it looks like a capitulation, definitely. But yeah, congratulations on your short position. Now the question is, should you be adding more? Because you know how much freaking capital we could have been making if we're trending this market down. But I've done that before, and it kind of hurt me in the past. So I'm not sure if that's a smart move. But what's a smarter move is using limit orders because it's cool. You know, no emotion involved. Watch 18. You know, sell 4 links. Let's say 4 links here. 22.53. So this is how I trade. Could be catching some support, not sure. And at the same time, I love Binance because we could put 4 more here. Add to your winners. And so 26.97. We'll put 4 more if we can. Yep. So now instead of having one big clump at a soft spot, we're about to get filled here on this guy here. We're the next order. We just got filled. Big candlesticks. And look at that. We got filled. We know the strategy. Man, these guys are selling hard. These are whales. These are whales, guys. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, they're starting to buy it up though, right? So that's a 1% candle right there. So which is the best buy for us to take? So here's a 3-minute. Let's take a look at the 5-minute divergences. Yeah, that looks like a decent divergence, but it's not yet there. And we can dip below, and that would be a very good divergence. Let's use a Fibonacci region on both. Yeah, okay, we'll use that one only. Okay. And we're seeing that my support here, the 4th wave, is also a support of the let's make a zone here. This wick, we can maybe catch this wick. Oh, wow. IOST. Yeah, they're coming up pretty decently right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably a fifth wave. You add, so pretty much you add a Fibonacci here, the 3A2, and if it passes this, then the trend could be done. This is 1, 2. This could be your third wave. So your Fibonacci that you would take profit would be on this wave, the larger wave, basically. So anywhere within this range right here, you would take your profit on a long if you're in that long opportunity, which would be about, 1% for sure, maybe 2%. So link starting to go up here. Nice candle, lots of volume, RSI divergence. Maybe it's time to take some profits, right? But we just discussed this. So if I go to link here, ooh, it almost hit one of my targets here on the 13. Almost. Basically it did. So my question is, should I take some profits here, or should I go somewhere else and open up a position? So sell 9.4. Sorry, when you're day trading like this, like, bro, it takes extreme focus. You know what I mean? Extreme focus. Get some water with you. Actually, have some right now there. All right. So the question is, are we still seeing some buying? Let's go to BTC and just get a gauge on the market. Very close to that 13 as well here. Where are we? Cycle EMA. I'm looking for bullish cycle EMA. That's my strategy that I made, my code that I made myself. I'm pretty proud of it. Bull cycle support resistances. So not this chart though. I use this one, and I also use, and we're penetrating it right now, the 21 for the bullish. Okay, so that's your bull count, and let's take a look at our total count, this guy here, for these time frames. Actually, for the hour charts, we can only use the 8 hour, so that would be our target right here, at least on the 914, right above our support right here. But yeah, I really do see some bearishness in the price action right now. And the 144 is my favorite, one of my favorite charts. We were at support here. That's where I took the scalp. But right now, honestly, we don't have real support. So I can only assume that we're bearish, unless we close extremely bullish on this coin, on this candle, which is going to close in an hour. And so let me see if I start screwing with some time frames here, and maybe we'll get some better calls here. So obviously that 233 was a decent one. 37 is pretty nice as well. We never got as far as 610, so maybe it's next. So this would be ABC, something like that, maybe. B, C, possibly. Let me see if I can draw it right now. And the stock market too, eh? Stock market fell pretty decent. Can the A go upwards? B, C. So it would be like a big channel, like that. Yeah, and typically we would. form another one like this, perhaps. And that would be the big, that'd be the big one. I'm not sure about this one, so I'm gonna keep it smaller. Just like that. And no. What? Oh, I see. All right, so that's 10 hours. So many counts, right? Okay, I'm not sure about this one here. But yeah, so this is what I'm counting. Sorry about that, wasting a little bit of time, energy. But that's why you have water. And you make sure you stay hydrated. So we could get the best understanding of what the heck's going on in this market. Okay, there you go. Open up my link, my chain link. So the dollar cost average that we did was successful. So we're already up 1.5% on that dollar cost average. But what we have to do is we have to look at the volume here. So we need to see large volume sell side. That's how we will know if the trend is going to continue. And we want to see a small volume on the upside. Nah, man. Not about that. Not about it. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, perhaps. Maybe I'll get right here. About 1.7%. It's kind of a risky one. So open up Bitcoin and see, yo, what's going on? What's popping Bitcoin? Link's extremely bearish. And to be honest, my target on Link is on the 3-day chart. One of my targets, my biggest target, is on the 3-day chart right here. And ultimate target would be pretty much 17-16%. But realistically, yes, keep this chart clean because it's extremely important. This fib, everybody's watching. Is that the 236? Better not be. No, it's the, I like this pink. So when we break this, this is where you're supposed to add to your position quite heavily. Probably market order right there. And then your target would be here. But I would, my ultimate target for this wave count is right there. And it's possible that it gets down here, which is, wait, my bad. This is a bad measurement. This is 0, right? But on the other exchange, it's like, on TradingView, let's pull it up now. Bitcoin's still consolidating above that moving average right here. So if we pull up a fib on this time frame here, we're looking for here. Where's the price of this guy here? Here, 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 or here. Okay. So honestly, like 61 cents, 62 cents is kind of the target here for Link. But I probably will take profits right here, and we'll see what happens. 77 more percent though on the downside. Okay, let's try to find a hedge here. Try to count these waves. If this is 1, 2, this would be your third wave, right above that trend line. It's important that we stay above this moving average that we're pushing down the prices right now, so it's at 65. Remember that number? 65. And then finally, last but not least, 608. So if we get above 608, that's really good. Right now we're at 20 on the RSI on the 1 hour. And about 27. Usually if we break above, let's say right here, we're going to start going up here. So, come on. Man, I should have bought it probably and put our target right here. But in a high time of risk like this, like look at our link position going against us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Actually, this could be a fourth wave. It could be. Yeah, we would be getting filled right now. Here's our 3. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. You know, the next target probably 1.6%, 5572. Vet coming back down already. 1, 2. We got 3, 4. I don't know if this is a good count, man. Right there would have been a decent buy. Let me clear this. Okay. This would be the stop loss. Either here or here. Okay. What we also have though is this trend line channel. I believe it's going to come back down, and that we're going to buy when it does. Right around in here with a stop loss of right here. Okay, so this is our buy box. This is our extreme cautious box, and realistically this is going to be pink. So pay attention to this moving average. Yeah, I gotta focus. I gotta focus. So like I said, you know, respectively, my chain link position is going to be for a while, okay? So I shouldn't even stress about it. I really shouldn't. And I want to add to it. I really do. But I also kind of need to know where to get out a little bit, like here probably. So this is what we would be looking at. We'd be looking at a 1, 2, perhaps this is a 3, 4, 5. The fifth is longer, so let's say this is 1, 2, 3, and then this is going to be the bottom of the third wave right here. So VeChain's definitely coming down here. It got rejected off of the 20, what is that, 13 moving average on the 3 minute. Let's take a look. I'm just curious to get the market's perspective on what these moving average. So Chainlink's a little bit more bullish than this bad boy. This one too. I could. That was definitely a distribution top. We started coming back down. Boom. They're trying to push it back up. Let's just trade VeChain and check how the other coins are doing. So VeChain is still, up 15% today. And it was a freaking amazing sell if you got that for 10%. Amazing. This is going to be your wave 1, I think. Okay. I like highlighting my wave 1's white, the color white. So we can say that if it breaks this line here, that we might retest the wave 1 within this time period. Okay, so that's why I'm interested in buying in a couple of minutes. When you're scalping like this, like I said, it takes focus. So now that we got our drawings, now we need to focus on price action. So again, looking at the volume, you see how the buying is starting to increase. The sellers are kind of starting to droop. They're still there, definitely still there. But that's why I'm trying to buy when the our next buy is going to be in about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, and let's see if that's confluent with our variables right here. 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is an hour and a half. Let's see my sell. Did it get filled? No, we got 29 and 22. 22.53. Look how close we got on that. The high. 22.42. Wow. It's kind of bullshit, but it's alright. No worries. Let's try to count the waves here. There's a... I hate when it screws up like that, man. I'll have to refresh the page. Yep. So that's a good... These are good moving averages to... Oh my gosh. To dollar cost average. Because we would have pretty much sold right on this moving average, and then it drops another 2%. It's up to you if you want to take your profits, but okay. Just to get a confirmation here on the VeChain 8-hour chart on my moving average strategy. So prices are pretty much at 8.7 at that 8.6. That's like way down right here. But it is coming up with price. So yeah. Yep, that's it. That's it. This is the biggest chart that we would I would take a look at. But the sellers are so like depressing the price right now, like big time. We got some more resistance right here at let's say 9.591 coming up, and 9.730 the next one. But I really don't trust this. Like 1, 2, 3 rule of 3 is that we would break pretty much on the third bounce here. There's a lot of volume, and that's what I would be looking at. 18 on the RSI though, my goodness, right? Let's take a look at other RSIs here for our RSI, see what people are thinking. We're at 36. In a bear market, we like to bottom 20 to 30 zone. Take a look at the daily. We're at 50. It likes to top at 60 to 65 on a bear market. In a bull market, it likes to bottom at 45 to 40. So just like here, it bounced, but then it hit the 65 bear zone. Now we can expect, literally on the daily chart, we can expect, and mark my words right here on this video, for my own self, to remember that, to check out the daily RSI, a bounce zone at 40. Yeah, I'm gonna write this down. Yeah. Daily RSI to bounce at 40 to 45 zone. So watch daily RSI bounce at 40, 45, dot, and that's a bull. No, not 40 or 45. I'm saying 30 to 20. Okay, 30 to 20 on the daily. Open up the 3-day here, might as well. Bear market likes to top at 60, 65. Bottoms at, okay, that wasn't even a good bottom, but okay. And here we can expect maybe, so this is day, 3-day, perhaps 40 to 45, question mark. Weekly, topping at 60. Okay, and I'll make an analysis video afterwards about this. Okay, so the weekly has already bottomed before, so we can expect it to be either the bull or bear. Depends how bearish we are, and that's going to determine the longer term trend. Because that's how technical analysis works. Will determine longer term trend, and if we break out of that triangle. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This is I might take another scalp in 1 hour's time. Okay, so peace.